Sringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi sringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikamamini sringa ngediski samahamsha wasekasi sringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst
The Machironi Latubote was a zero podcast the Ashwestering ngediski Rishi Livanin Kwawula Languta podcast ina ya seringa ngediski Dumelanka ofela but washabiliting podcast ya runa ya seringa ngediski Sanbona ninonke anipege podcast yethu yeseringa ngediski
Hola Mr. Mzerewa Mr. Mzerewa ubuya na uqala ke sithangane or ke Chivenda
Dichivenda
Dichivenda wavela wangoputsatsele lidlala le bhakane no dilasi ya game ring aya televise ora ke iputsa re ngare ke tsatale ya kada so le tsona ngare di renga sevenda nyana ro etsala so Mr. Mzerewa by the way but ron chela manore wena grand trend u game di dinge u kwetse mo gaming ya mabhakane abatla ba lose the training digarazo.
This thing I call, it's not for the first time. It has been happening for years. And the Unaliva was to Mangabanya Bolam Tutu. They are very happy and enjoying and celebrating what Pirates lost. They don't know the situation down there, the conditions down there. Just imagine Odala Diski, Awaja breakfast to sing. Only pre-match meal, all those things are already told. And again, treatment, our ground room. Automatically, mindset changed everything. That's how they treat us. And that's a hang out. I will lily pompo win a game. Because, but one, but outside TV. Bad. Two, last week or two, the TV, Sunday television game of Pirates. 10 or 11 years back. Was that Alamo Fichi, Bomak Fishy, the Bokavan Lane. Those years, Bahutabana di Panish, Modiso, buys everything, but everyone Shapankar Turner by bone. So it goes back to Orlando Pirates, to South Africa versus Zimbabwe. Bapila yi, Bajahi, Mara, Haria Kobon, Barry Trita, they are always and forever against us.
Yeah, no. So, no, that's for another to Trita Joan, Arikopana, and Saturday.
Kid Glove, Kimzans.
Yeah,
Havana Pibitempe. But wabona di hotel washeva from the hotel at Saudi on actually PC ba sitting on the top of the range. The hotel the top of the range. Everything yabona ki Kid Glove. King Mzansi. And I call Pirates in train I call last week. Every year Pirates udlala kontle. Moreover because the first team to travel and win the Africa Cup the Pirates.
Yeah.
And abaritswari handle. And in anything real win, real one. So ki intwene andile thabete mabana rera ka yona ya ulwana so rona ra lo right one lo re be dintho tse dintle. So what I'm saying, if I would remember re tlo win a cup ele bona na batlile ka o tlora ga Jerry Sikhosana ba slim abasiya ba coverana ba khadlana ka bobona a thola neti buleile a tshwarisa neti South Africa ya go tla le cup. Ha o sena pelo o sena sebete, you won't make it in Africa.
Yeah. But the Nagili Tepi and Donate Zaronate, Kishore Vele, Angata, Scalino, Lasi, Kishori player Tetona Lucheri, player Tetahadi, Yazo, Aladibasere, Loreva Fit, Aliagada, when you are so, not Santalavane.
I like what Ivan is doing with his team now. Ungile all the former players, the retired players, the legends. Kuribara, and I'm not there, but I'm 1001% sure. Back camp only into Anazina. Badi US or the skills are like Africa, Chanso Munna, Chanso Vedi Pilempi, Chanso Hotel, and only Malanzola. So if wiki never you won't make it down there. So Kinali confidence, if you should have seen on Saturday on Wednesday, the boys were meaning it. They were fighting with 24/7, more halfway at the opposition. But the whole thing just was Lady Laka, Arab Leon.
Hey, more gaming here, no, more honey, Corey, it's a Pirates at the top of our one. ya mesa di goal tse baya ba ngare no cannot no timane nene ke feeling ngare le bona ka mogore ba fitura e a se letsatsi la bona ba fiting ngare mane yingare re tswile draw cause re kweletse di opportunity tse baya
ba ile ground ba ilo dala o shebe what Pirates did. Most of the players, the known players, they were not playing.
Yeah.
We had Bombatano playing, Bule, you can name them. But look at how Tito Maswanganya rised. Hutuile bafu. Utlile atlile. Understand? So they meant to win the game, Bashiman Babarun. They were there for the points. Locally, Rimnati. Arna stress ba batlo lo sheba tsa bona ba minyetse rona kamo and rona ntse re nyulu ka steps and west we've got a game in hand bona sa ba le pele ka di game
ene ke ba qenne ka di ding ene o ko lo le chilzi bile batho defense bona ba re ba enka league e mara no se ke shebile number se be le number
e re go chaela ka it's my opinion.
Yeah.
Most of the defense chiefs die meeste hulle het nie voetbal gespeel nie. Hulle ken niks van voetbal. Die meeste van hulle. You understand? So I don't blame them. Ki choice ya bona ba irata ka ding. Understand? Abahlabele pili bona ba ne ba na le wari ya Pirates or Pirates etsang e ba jilwe what is fine. The bottom line is locally retsa eng.
True.
Locally retsa eng. Rona re sharp, rona stress. We win the Africa, it's fine. We don't at the end of the day, we've got a taste of Africa. We've got a taste of a star. The first team in South Africa to have a star. No other team except the happy people.
Yeah, Orlando Pirates.
Yes.
So no di la social media man re tlo dlala jwa mo gaming e tlang or ro shapa mechiku ole wa bafana you still remember ne re ka ona na pele re hiso is either team e ya ka shapa team e le ka mo tshwantse re kore di goal e ka ndira go tla ra qualify re kore le goal tse bae so no di la as Pirates is ogala sure wa o shebile re 4 yake.
If I was a coach at Pirates, Moller rating next. Moller tilaka shooting. Fair shooting. If you can look at the games those Pirates, I mean Bafana scored, the 2 goals, nearly shooting fair. Look at Mbata's goal.
Yeah.
Long range drive. Look at Apolis. We Krebsi la shapa long range drive. So if they can just work more on shooting and make more of killing the chances, automatically the winner came in. Because if I remember whilst I was still coaching KV Mighty Bucks Mopir, halftime score was 3-0. And those guys were playing top range of the ball. But now I said to my boys halftime, guys, it's up to you. Whether you want to be spectators or you want to go to the next round. Coming back from halftime, we won the game 4-3. So what will beat Pirates to score? Bakiri bakole 3 kwa. Le rona le moa ibile Westman Minzeli scored. Sitlo tsulu stadium.
Yeah.
Le boss tumanga abanye batla ba le daba 37. That's what I know.
Ba tlopa.
Yes. Ye bana le pain na ri ja tlape ngwe o rijiwa. Pain kala o bona.
True.
Before it a rona ba nga ba teng. Ke bona ba bang le problem.
And I'm not a represent. There's something about the
I see him as a commentator, the Super Sport. Oh, okay. I withdraw from that, but obvious what I know. If you can listen to our commentator, Babu Mteto, Lalo Stumangabanya, they pick up other things as pick up is abantu. So anything the way it is now. It's not that I don't have a contact in a coach. If I had a contact in a coach at Pirates, it's just to shut the back door and then open up the front door.
Yeah.
La partners funi nexus, funi skillers, funa je gidlalo, ni create quickly tlale boxing show Paul. Sabamba 1. Abazovuma labantu.
Yeah, ngoba ngibonile nale ntwana le uba nundudi ne. Or uba nundudi.
Yeah.
Ayadlala, yabona le ntwana
na. Mamela. Le nkosi le Giraffe yePirates inenkinga manje. Kuthi who to play, who not to play. Bapholile abondaba right. Everybody is ready to play now. Sekushote uMakhawula kancane naye. So iPirates iphethe yonke into. Bengibhekela ama clips wenu walezinto zama podcast. Uthi lo muntu am a Chiefs fan. But Mamela, Pirates is average. Kusho lo muntu lagcoke nempahla zabo labantu. Athi hayi Mamela, ibhakani liyahamba. So kusasa, if according to me, icoach ayothi ngaba nale mind yaka Bondarenko, the former coach of Pirates, attack. Attack all the way.
All the way.
Something will happen.
Siqe.
Singavumi beze, masilibamba emva kwabo, yazi silishare. Yazi ibe tennis, idibeke. Siya kubo labantu. So ibambi net wesi ke manje kusasa I wish you were dibeso.
Jeez.
Yeah.
Niwe ke line up yamabhakaniya mawucabanga ukuthi first half nje.
Ange manje abo hotho bebesamisiwe.
Yeah.
Yabo libitso bakhona. So uzodlala an obvious but uzoshintsha lapha esiswini.
Oh.
Manje phambili sinalo umuntu lona man. Wathi ngwana sesi.
Yeah.
Emali lento beyifuza ime kancane mana aqale ngale shangandle lumabasa.
Yeah, I know.
Le nkosi yakhathela ibhola le.
Abuya ngayo second half uzumfaka.
Mamela akaye ukucala umabaso sakaqale nalo umuntu again. Lo muntu ithuba nje yodedelo uyathumela. Into esifunayo kusasa nje kuthunyelwe kungadlalwa kuthunyelwe. Mara nginesho ukuthi masingathumela i4-5 nyana nje 2 nje leyo dlala izozwela lizobamba inet.
Yeah, kusho ukuthi grand mosho kanjalo i7 5-7 goal.
It depends how the players are fighting. How are they passing each other? What are the midfielders do? What I like about Pirates, we don't have a specific scorer.
Anything check analyze ini bombo. Engibone ngathi ama giant nyana Mr Mzero ngathi laba engathi badlala nama giant.
eAfrica baziphethe lezi zinenkani lezi ziqale eziqathile lezi. Baziphethe. We once had some Pirates those years.
Yeah.
Those years we once had those giants. Unfortunately, bege good nje asetwa skill wise akunanix. And manje if benga reverse igame eSouth Africa the Pirates. Ama yellow card maningi kulabantu abangaphandle.
Eish.
Mara uzobona bo referee sazi ukuthi ureferee uzothunyelwa ubuya kweliphi ilizwe uhambisana nabo abantu because nabo labo referee banama country wabo.
Yeah, I know that's true.
It's how it goes.
Hayi sibona ke igame ukuthi iba kanjani.
For 42 years, KV Funeral Home has stood beside families in their most difficult moments. We understand that losing a loved one is never easy. It's a time for mourning, remembrance, and love. At KV Funeral Home, we bring you peace of mind with a caring team that handles every detail so you can focus on saying goodbye with dignity. From custom tombstones, coffins, fresh flowers, and wreaths, to funeral and memorial planning, transportation, luxury family cars, video recording, and live streaming. We offer a one-stop, personalized service trusted across Soweto and the Gauteng area. Choose a plan that fits your family. Silver plan are $250 per month. Gold plan are $350 per month. Platinum plan are $450 per month. And for our seniors, a special pensioners top-up at just $80 per month. Because at KV Funeral Home, we believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity. But call us today, KV Funeral Home, where compassion meets tradition. But call us today, KV Funeral Home, where compassion meets tradition. We believe every farewell deserves respect, care, and dignity.
Liguali Dr. Muloi, known as Mzito.
Yeah, because we still remember more episode 9 you really rabana lwena da ka dikente
Tamapetla Pasala.
Tamapetla. So le hope really share happy guys ogala. Or can something yana or izogala. Do you have the date of this organizing?
Yeah, tournament Barcelona annual tournament is playing every year. It's an annual tournament and then it's taking place for the division stage 6, which is under 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and under 20. And then it's playing from the 13th of December to the 23rd of December. So Kichureshine Onaya tournament. And then we help our visitors from KZN, Mpumalanga, Tutuza, Tsakani, and the local teams, Soweto, to participate in our tournament day. So we are to prepare the prizes and other things, and then we'll be having a launch soon. And then from there, that's where we'll announce what are the prizes for the teams.
Okay, even us would like to invite.
I think it's officially, but I can announce that you are welcomed, because it is nice or liberating and it's a motivation to the players, the coaches. Had it all a platform for the interviews and stuff. So it will be nice for you coming, and then we'll get the Lokuza formal invitation.
All right, thank you, sir. Hey, sir, man, hey. Ngifuna ukuthi ungitshele nje kancane man, hey ngibonile iChiefs bedlala la so ikhosi bathrowile.
Okay.
And when I remember most of the fans we Chiefs bebathi the time basawina nyana bebathi ligi rayenka hey no lasa sekubona man ngarithe bathowa baya ko class. So what's happening man ka Kaizer Chiefs?
Yeah, Arbua ka Chiefs, but we cannot start the last game in Wednesday. We should start the first game they played until now.
You can start anyways.
I'm saying this because it was a fluke, because they look very good. Yeah. Very good. When the intentions the players look happy, and then the communication between the coach and the players was very good. And then we thought they'll continue with the very same thing. But when times goes on, the changes go Chiefs, then that's where we were surprised, understand? And then they go back to the wins they were in past 3 years. And then it means Kaizer Chiefs is having a problem, not on the performance, but on the power, which is the coaching staff. The coaching staff here at Kaizer Chiefs at this moment is not good at all. It's not good at all in a sense that harna a coach loring a hona winner a changing room, a hona winner a bench, whereby it in a total control over the players. Hence we indicate some issues states on key players at Chiefs. For example, 1, Habatu substitute 2, you can see the performance. Let's go back to the game Eba last time before the game on Wednesday. Yeah. The last game they played, a player scored the goal before it enters the net. Muchata Mila celebrating the polo, trap up all offside, and it's a professional player. What does that? We send what kind of a message to us? It's a problem. Secondly, a player now recently they were playing CAF game. A player how there's no goalkeeper, you miss the goal. It sent a message also, Leon. Then they play a game and look at the chances that Kaizer Chiefs create. They create a lot of chances on the third half, but they don't convert. The reason that Haba convert giving is because Kaizer Chiefs are aggressive. Kaizer Chiefs is not aggressive for that half. They have a polo a goal kahanga, and then it's like they want a goal loring. We can hold the ball also and put it into the net, and it doesn't work like that. So the balls are over the defensive goals, and then I don't know in which version, because the way Tamil by like thing, Tamil convert the way the goal. Havana a hungry player, it sorry. Goal, you understand, and they don't have a fighting spirit, and there's too much division. Like this, like this. So in that way, they give us a problem because whoever on a direction. I understand on a direction. So Kaizer Chiefs at this moment, it's not the issue of players; it's an issue of power in the bench and in the changing room. So that is why the players this namata are. So the advice that we can give Kaizer Chiefs, especially management, it depends. They do understand or listen to what we are saying as the coaches from grassroots level, because there's issue of undermining, because who is this? Utsibang, we understand, then it's a problem. And that is why a lot of supporters suffer, because whatever they are saying, logic, I feel go in a right way. If it's like wabatella, Katino, it's not like that. You are talking to a club to another level. Bear in mind, Kaizer Chiefs has sponsors, has money, has everything, has also supporters. Playing home or away, Chiefs is home. We understand. So what is needed on the players and the coaches, let us make the supporters happy. Let us make whoever who is behind Kaizer Chiefs happy. You understand? So you can tell the players are not happy, not because of salaries and stuff, themselves. You understand? Hence was now a combinational play, teamwork, team spirit. How do you then dating Israel? We bonaka the results. You understand? Before they play a Wednesday game, I saw a table there log. if I'm not mistaken, 5 teams is not, if not 6 teams. Kaufela's only nearly 15 points. And all those games, they were playing on Wednesday. What does that mean? It means as players, as coach, about what is happening. Then I have to go to the game and I feel like game get a shock. Majita, 5 or 6 having 15 points. Then let's fight. And then look at number 1 and you look at number 2. Number 2 and 1, banal how many points? Banally 20, 23, 18 points. Then it means still high hule points. So Chiefs for now, guys, what we can say is they need not motivation because they're already motivated. They've got everything in the team. They need somebody who can control the team. They need Penny McCarthy, for example. They need Pizzo Kaliba. They need Coach Eloring in power and then Elebalaka management. And then it could focus more on the team and their results.
Yeah, because how the management that Chiefs being a player or they don't know anything about soccer.
It's not about being players because the boss of the team, remember, Ubapit, and then for me team, Ilori was a player. Yeah. So he knows better, and then they take the team to Banaba High. So as a Riada, we've got Junior played football, and then it's just that Junior played more of English football. We understand that's the difference. And you look at Jessica, it's a king because we're intelligent. You look at who's this Bobby Leonard's a good person. It's just that but Remonga Gazila and he listened to other people but barring it's just that the issue stating goes on Ulumutu because every family has its own differences. But the main issue is that Kaizer Chiefs putting aside the family and whoever co-family Klamela concentrate or how do they improve the club. We understand that then but individually, so that will kill the team. But at this moment, guys, I'll stick on my words saying they need a power coach and a coach Yakasi again. Yeah, Abasa need a coach from outside. They need a coach Yakamukasi, Eloring Etabanale total control on the team.
All right,
thanks very much.
Or you have any question, Mr. Mzerawa, that you want to ask?
No, just that what's your take with the present coaches of the team? Having came with Nabi and then the other one being an interpreter, all of a sudden they are now in charge, Nabi is gone. What's your take on that one?
More issue you Mwenda, remember you are saying Utlele and interpreter and then Kipati and Pasalia, the technical stuff Nabi. And then Nabi Abanale a problem with the family, Kiana Salang behind. And then we realize now that Utle is an interpreter, but the bottom line is that he knows that person better than us in terms of how do they work, the working relationship. So, so I think Bona, we've got nothing to say, and then what we can say is that Chiefs must take them off and then bring somebody else. Then that's it.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikaMaminzima ngediski samahamsha wasekazi siringa ngediski asamasoka analyst.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that disc is supreme.
Itsola ka Kitumelo Ndebele.
Udlala team Tumelo Ndebele.
Idlala Mapetla Barcelona.
Position.
Idlala Center back.
All right, center back. Pass mic.
Lebitso ke Arabetse Teketsi. Idlala ko Center back.
Udlala
Mapetla Barcelona.
Dankie.
Ke nna Tumelo Serekwe.
Wala Tumza. Udlala
Mapetla Barcelona.
position
Right wing.
Hola. Yeah, ring and pinch.
Ke nna Kabelo Mkhize.
Wala Kabza. Udlala Kabza.
Ke dlala Mapetla Barcelona.
Position
6.
hola uthi.
Ke nna Mphomkweni.
Mphomkweni wadlala
Mapetla Barcelona.
position.
Dlala defending 6.
Thank you.
Ke nna Njabulo Sithebe.
Wala Njebs. Udlala Njebs.
Mapetla Barcelona.
Position
4 and 5.
hola uthi.
Ke nna Khosi Molotsana.
Wala Khosi udlala
Mapetla Barcelona.
position.
Right back.
Thank
Kamalam NST Gumi.
Wala NS tudlalelani.
Mapetla Barcelona.
I-position
Left back.
awe.
Ukufile says
Wala re. Udlala
Mapetla Barcelona.
position
Left back.
awe.
Kenatsofa Tsontlani.
Celo be yiso uthwa.
Kenatsofa Tsontlani.
Wala tsugo udlala
Ba Mapetla Barcelona.
position
Striker.
striker.
Sure.
Awe.
Butsola ka ke boipelo makitkit.
Wala bipilo udlala
Mapetla Barcelona.
position
Left wing.
uyula.
Phumelele Shabalala.
Wala Mr. Shabalala udlala Mr. Shabalala.
Mapetla Barcelona.
Position
Striker.
awe.
Re neilwe motshiai.
Renelwe udlala ninja.
Mapetla Barcelona.
Position
Keeper.
danke.
Emihle Shabalala.
Wala yisho udlala
Mapetla Barcelona.
position.
Center attacking midfield.
Alright. So ba fetale mchele ke mang entweni hi. Wolo. Elithi
Kabelo Mkhize.
eka.
Kabelo Mkhize.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Sirinang Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Sirinang Disky, ah ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio, they go, 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 go. I caramba no. Sirinang Disky, that's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just a score. I roll my eyes as the Petra provokes. He's got stats, got memes, got clips on his phone, replaying that goal like it's carved in stone. He calls it passion. And then it's ski, oh oh oh, with a vuvuzela and a macho glow. Ski, yeah yeah yeah. Forget the rent when it's time for the show. From Cairo to Madrid they go. The are offside, no bro. Ski, it's the way the passion flows. He breaks down tactics like he's Pep. Our guests with uncles losing breath. 1 minute calm, next he's wild like a grown-up.
Anakal bitso ke Sipesihle Makhanya ke dlala left wing. Mapetla Barcelona.
Alright, thank you. Ila free jack.
Nna ke nna Tshedi Chauke ke dlala Mapetla Barcelona. Position ke dlala striker.
Striker. Awe. Omunye. Ntaka wena plus kwena champion ya te. Channel kama spider.
Nakel Thabo Mpina ke dlala left wing. Ke dlala Mapetla Barcelona.
Awe.
Nna ka lebitso ke Nyakalo Mlopiane ke dlala right back ke dlala left back ke dlala Mapetla Barcelona.
Dlala ka Mkelane Mkuna ke dlala right back Mapetla Barcelona.
Nna ke Sipho Maputswane ke dlala right back Mapetla Barcelona.
Ka lebitso la ka ke Nyakalo Tsibane ke dlala center back ke dlala Mapetla Barcelona.
story. Messi this, Ronaldo that. Can we eat first? They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Sirinang Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Sirinang Disky, ah ah. Forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio they go.
No, ngibukela game Pirates, ngayibukela short. It was interesting. Pirates was pressing all the way. Bebehlala basehafini yalamashangani lasemabhudi laseyalekude lamazizimbane la. The only person omoshe leya game ureferee. You look at the referees, the red cards. Number one, khona lo ngathi uya-actor lo enwele zijinja uyoshaya lo mfana nge-forehead yethu uye bekufuze athole i-red card. So umuremi uthola i-red card ngokuphusha nje lela zezimbane. Aborefri bafeyila bafowethu. Both red cards are not legit. They are not. Even the commentators are saying the red cards are not legit. Both. Match analyst, halftime, SABC1, they're all poor, boss. All poor. Poor. That lady with crooked eyes. Kohlwa. Aye. These guys are failing, boss. They make commentary as well. It's poor. It's weak. Aye. They make people sleep, not watch the game. Aye. Suga. Mamela. Ibola lila. Navarre. Lamazizimba naze lazitshela ukuthi azodefenda idefendeli Pirates iphethe skill ufake sonke iskill wabeka uMahupha ngaphandle nabo babasa wafaka lentwana ezisheshayo and it paid the dividends for him. What a coach and his technical team. Moreover, the players themselves. Mamela once and always a Pirate. How are they going to win Bakala kanje bangakhathela amapinishi?
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi Afrostyle diski adlale diski that's why siringa ngediski. Yes ya yibungi ngijane laba.
No kiss, just the scoreline. Did you see that red card like his headline? He says, my team is pure, your team's a joke. I roll my eyes, ask the pitcher provoke.